This final tutorial video will show you how to record a PowerPoint slide and export it as a video or as a presentation that has narrations in the background. So this is very helpful as a backup if you have a conference and you want to record your PowerPoint beforehand in case you have technical issues on that day, and then the PowerPoint can still be played without you having to present it. So you want to take your PowerPoint. I just have a template here. And once all your slides are finished, you want to go to slideshow and then record slideshow. Record from the beginning, I'm just going to say, but you can do it from a current slide. And then you'll see the recording station like so. You have yourself here in the bottom. If you don't want that, just switch yourself off here. Or you can leave it on if you want your face to show. Make sure that your mic is on. And I'm just going to switch this off now because I'm recording on a different device, but you want to have this on when you are doing this recording. And then you just click record here. And you wait for the countdown. And now you speak into your microphone as you would have spoken when you did the presentation. And when you're done with the slide, you go on to the next slide and start your recording for that slide. Make sure not to speak during the transitions because it will be cut off. So finish your sentence, click to the next slide, and then start talking again. When you're done, you just hit stop. You can replay. And then just exit. So once your recordings have been made into your slideshow, you can now just save it as a normal PowerPoint slide. Make sure that it is saved as a PPTX file, or you can, if you like, export the file as a video. Create video. You don't need to do 1080p, that's going to make it very large. I always say 720 is fine, and then create video. And it will export to your computer.